Okay, now I'm going to set up a service offering. First thing I want to do is create the high level service category. And we're going to call this Golden. This is a one-off service. So when someone calls in, they get one clean. I can't add any pricing now. I have to get in this category first. Once I get the category, the service category in, then I can go back in and I can add the services with the pricing for the service. So how the price list is laid out is by square feet, minimum, maximum number of bedrooms and bathrooms. And you have the ability to provide 3 pricing tiers. If you only use one price, then use the mid rate. Otherwise, you have low, mid, and high options. So for this example, I'm going to make 2 entries, basically a 1,000 square foot. I'm going to call it small. This is based on the number of bathrooms. So in this case, small is going to be a 1.5 bath, 2 bedroom. Paste that here. So we're going to say 0 square feet up to 1,000. Say 2, and then we're going to say 1.5. Say 100. 50 for low and 150 for high. So I'm going to save that. So that new price structure for this size house shows up here. So I'm just going to make it large because I want to charge for a two bath. I want to charge a different price. I want to add $25. So how I would do that is to create another entry. We're just going to call it large. And I'm just going to reuse that for the description. So we're going to add $25. Oops, wrong spot. And square feet is 0 to 1,000. 2 and 2. This is $75. This is 125. This is 175. Let's create that. Let's make sure our numbers are correct. It says $25 increase. Now I would do this for every breakdown, square footage breakdown, and bathroom, bedroom change. So whenever you're creating a quote, the logic will find the size of the house automatically and put the prices in front of you. So I'm going to save this.